In this video, we will demonstrate how to install watch hands from our Gentleman's Watchmaker kit. For hand installation, you'll need a hand installation tool and a rodico to pick up the watch hands without scratching them. For the hand installation, the type of tools you'll see on the video is more than enough for most cases. For the hour and the minute hand installation, choose the tip that has the center hole slightly larger than the post of a minute wheel. Spend some time to carefully observe the central posts on which you'll be installing the watch hands. There is only pressure on the movement holder, not on the movement itself, and not on the crown or on the stem. First, let's do the hour hand. Pull the crown all the way out to the time setting position and adjust the time forward until the date time transitions. Once the date ring completes its jump, we install the hour hand pointing it sharply at 12 o'clock. For all hands installations, we loosely attach them first so we can check the alignment before setting the hands. Try to keep the tool vertical and align it to the hour wheel. As we have a movement with a date function, let's set a time forward by 24 hours and do a quick check. Set the hour to 12 o'clock. Now let's install the minute hand. And loosely install the minute hand pointing at the 60-minute mark. Then we can apply pressure to set the minute hand. Check the alignment at 3, 6, 9 and 12 o'clock. We always check the height and the level of installation after setting each watch hand. That's how it should look after you set the hour and the minute hands to the correct level and height. Now, let's do the second hand. Hold the second hand in place, on a flat surface as shown. Try to get a feeling on how you can keep the second hand balanced, without any downward pressure. Use the rodico to position the hand. First align the second hand, and apply slight downward force to loosely set it, only after you are certain you have the correct alignment. Remember to set the second hand low and level enough, and make sure it completely clears the minute hand. That's how it should look after you install all your hands to the correct level and height.